When we ride a motorcycle, we regularly put in inputs that are unintentional. Those inputs can create butt pucker moments for us as we ride down the road, because what we want to have happen and what we expect to have happen are two very different things sometimes. Meaning, you'll be riding turning left and unintentionally you'll put an input into the right bar, which will change the direction of the motorcycle, which you didn't expect, and now you create a feedback loop of fighting yourself riding the machine. It's minor, it's not major, but I'm going to show you how that happens. So if you would please, Bill, I've got the machine, feet up on the pegs, nice and relaxed. Watch what happens when I release the machine. It immediately will start to tip. So we get it balanced, we get to 0 and I let go and it'll tip, okay? My weight's into the machine, and what I'm going to show you is ergonomically how to sit the machine so you can balance it. This is mainly for low speed work, but it can also be very helpful at high speed, especially if you get out of the machine's way. So scoot a little bit forward if you would, please. Balls of your feet on the pegs. Relax your feet, but put slight pressure into the pegs, not a lot. Lighten your grip on the hand grips with your hands and drop your arms. Excellent. Now look straight at my forehead, and if we get you centered, it's going to take a lot longer for the machine to move and much easier for me to recover it. Now I'll show you that I'm not playing any tricks here. One hand, squeeze a grip really hard, and the machine moves. You put an input in, the machine took that input and did something with it. So when we ride, we need to not put those inputs in. So the more we balance the machine and the more we relax, the more we'll stay in place. That's excellent. Now, this is how simple it can all change. 1 foot, curl your toes, and the machine moves. Doesn't matter what input we put in. We could squeeze our legs, we could move our shoulders, we can squeeze a grip, we can curl our toes in our boots. Whatever we do will change the footprint of the machine and its direction. It's a tool, it's designed to do that. So it takes our feedback and does things with it. The problem is we regularly give it negative feedback. So if you would please now stand up on the pegs, hands on your chest, look straight over the top of my head, relax your body, just stand still, I've got the machine. Toes, 1 boot, curl. See how fast it moves? Relax yourself again. Your weight's now at the bottom of the machine, and at the bottom of the machine, the center of gravity is nice and low, and it'll balance all day long. If you would please now, shift your hips just a little. And the machine moves immediately. Can you tell that difference? Great. Have a seat. Feet on the ground. Your machine. Thank you.
Hey, thanks again, folks. Remember to click like and subscribe to our channel, and check out some of our other riding tip videos.